Today is Sunday morning around 1 or 2 o'clock. I'm doing this rubbers entrance at the mall. It's a beautiful carpet, and this is the foundation. And I have another location on the other side. There's one guy there for me. So this is what it looks like so far from here. Those are rubber carpet for entrances for the malls. So it's looking great. I'll give it a shot from this side over here and going down this way. This is what it looks like.